Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best Square Loans Review 2025. If you're a small business owner who uses Square for payment processing, you've probably seen an offer for a Square loan pop up on your dashboard. I'm going to share my experience with their financing, cutting straight to what you need to know. My business has taken out 2 of these loans, and what makes them stand out is the simplicity and speed. Unlike a traditional bank, I didn't have to fill out pages of paperwork, provide a full business plan, or worry about my personal credit score. Square already has all my business data, my sales volume, my customer mix, my history with them, so their loan offer is pre-qualified and immediate. It literally just appeared one day in my dashboard. When I accepted the first offer, the funds were in my bank account by the next business day. That speed is incredible when you need capital quickly for inventory, equipment, or just better cash flow. Now, let's talk about the repayment, because this is where Square loans are very different. They don't charge you a traditional interest rate. Instead, it's a single fixed fee that you agree to up front. For example, if I borrowed $10,000, I knew my total repayment would be, say, $12,000. That $2,000 fee is the cost of the loan, and it never changes, no matter how fast or slow I pay it back. The payments themselves are automatic and tied to my daily Square sales. A fixed percentage, mine was around 12%, is automatically deducted from my credit and debit card transactions each day. This is a huge pro, especially for a business like mine with fluctuating sales. On a slow Tuesday, I pay back a small amount. On a busy Saturday, I pay back more. There is no set monthly payment to stress over, though you do have a required minimum payment every 60 days to ensure the loan is paid off within the maximum 18-month term. But here's the major downside, and it's critical. Because the fee is fixed, there is no benefit to paying the loan off early. I can prepay, and I have, but the total amount I owe remains the same. If it were a traditional interest loan, paying it off early would save me money, but with Square's fixed fee structure, it doesn't. This can make the effective annual percentage rate, or APR, quite high if you pay it back very quickly. You have to weigh the cost of that fixed fee against the sheer convenience and the lack of traditional loan hassles. For me, in 2025, the major advantage remains the ease of access and the flexible repayment model that aligns with my cash flow. It's an expensive but incredibly convenient tool, best used for short-term, high-impact needs like a large inventory purchase or a quick piece of equipment. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.